Question 1. 16 to the power 1/5 multiplied by 2 to the x equals 8 to the 3/4. We need to find the exact value of x. Look at all three bases, 16, 2, and 8. 16 is 2 to the 4. 8 is 2 to the 3. And 2 is already base 2. So we can rewrite the entire equation using only the base 2. Step 1. Convert 16. 16 equals 2 to the 4. Write it out, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So 16 equals 2 to the power 4. Therefore, 16 to the 1/5 becomes the bracket 2 to the 4 raised to the power 1/5. Apply Rule 3, power of a power, multiply the indices. For multiplied by 1/5 equals 4/5. So 16 to the 1/5 equals 2 to the 4/5. Step 2. Convert 8. 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2, so 8 equals 2 to the 3. So 8 to the 3/4 becomes the bracket 2 to the 3 raised to the power 3/4. Power of a power again. 3 multiplied by 3/4 equals 9/4. So 8 to the 3/4 equals 2 to the 9/4. Now we have converted both sides. Let me rewrite the full equation using base 2 only. The equation is now 2 to the 4/5 multiplied by 2 to the x equals 2 to the 9/4. Every base is 2. Step 3. Simplify the left side. 2 to the 4/5 multiplied by 2 to the x, same base, so we add the indices. The left side becomes 2 to the power 4/5 plus x. Step 4. Since both sides are now a power of 2 with equal bases, the indices must be equal. So 4/5 plus x equals 9/4. Step 5. Solve for x by subtracting 4/5 from both sides. X equals 9/4 minus 4/5. To subtract these fractions we need a common denominator. The lowest common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Convert both fractions to 20ths. 9/4, multiply top and bottom by 5 to get 45 over 20. 4/5, multiply top and bottom by 4 to get 16 over 20. 45 minus 16 equals 29. So x equals 29 over 20. The exact value of x is 29 over 20. This is an improper fraction and it cannot be simplified, so it is already in its simplest exact form. Question 2. 9 to the minus 1/2 equals 27 to the 1/4 divided by 3 to the x plus 1. Find the exact value of x. Look at all the bases, 9, 27, and 3. 9 is 3 squared. 27 is 3 cubed. 3 is already base 3. So we convert everything to base 3. Step 1. 9 equals 3 times 3, so 9 equals 3 squared. So 9 to the minus 1/2 becomes the bracket 3 squared, raised to the power minus 1/2. Power of a power, multiply 2 by minus 1/2. 2 times minus 1/2 equals minus 1. So 9 to the minus 1/2 equals 3 to the minus 1. Step 2. 27 equals 3 times 3 times 3, so 27 equals 3 cubed. 27 to the 1/4, power of a power, multiply 3 by 1/4 to get 3/4. So 27 to the 1/4 equals 3 to the 3/4. Now I can rewrite the full equation using base 3 only on both sides. The equation is now 3 to the minus 1 equals 3 to the 3/4 divided by 3 to the x plus 1. Step 3. Simplify the right side. 3 to the 3/4 divided by 3 to the x plus 1, same base, subtract indices. The right side becomes 3 to the power 3/4 minus the bracket x plus 1. Notice the bracket around x plus 1, it is critical to keep it. Expand the bracket, 3/4 minus x minus 1. The 1 inside the bracket becomes minus 1 when the bracket is removed. Combine the constant terms. 3/4 minus 1, convert 1 to 4/4, so 3/4 minus 4/4 equals minus 1/4. The right side is now 3 to the power minus 1/4 minus x. Step 4. Since both sides are base 3, the indices must be equal. So minus 1 equals minus 1/4 minus x. Step 5. Rearrange to solve for x. Add x to both sides and add 1 to both sides, or equivalently rearrange x equals minus 1/4 minus the bracket minus 1. Minus the bracket minus 1 becomes plus 1. So x equals minus 1/4 plus 1. Convert 1 to 4/4. Minus 1/4 plus 4/4 equals 3/4. The exact value of x is 3/4.